Hi, this is your project. Your project title is Transformer Health IoT based Transformer Health Monitoring System. Coming to the operation, the entire operation is shown in the YouTube video. Once again, I am sharing the video. Red color. Once again, I am sharing the video of your project working. And coming to the hardware, this is 16 by 2 LCD display. This is power supply board. This is Arduino Uno. This is the transformer where we are monitoring the parameters of transformer. This is the transformer, and this is the driver board where it can read voltage sensor and current sensor, current shunt resistance. So I will explain what all these components are done. The main this is the load of the transformer, this light, and this is Wi-Fi module and its daughter board. Wi-Fi module name ESP8266. And before going to execute this project, you have to create hotspot in mobile with username IoT server and password IoT server 123 without any spaces, all are small letters. So you have to create this hotspot setting in your mobile, and you have to switch on that mobile. Then we have to execute this project. Why? Because this Wi-Fi uses that hotspot to send parameters to server. Here it will read, this is temperature sensor DS18B20. So it will read transformer temperature, and this is voltage, and this is current sensor. And to read the parameters of voltage and current, this is a potentiometer. By varying this potentiometer, the LED brightness will be vary based on the voltage and current. LED brightness is varying. Here the LED brightness is directly proportional to voltage and current. But if you provide more voltage uh, and more current than desired limit, then the brightness will be decreased. That is the property of LED. That means, so if you increase voltage, brightness will increase. If you increase voltage, again brightness will be increased. But at a certain point of voltage and current, the brightness will be decreased. That is the property of the LED. The design is like that. But whenever we are giving more voltage, it consumes more current. Why? Because voltage will be increased. What is nothing but power, P equal to V into I. Whenever V is increased, I is also increased, so that the total power will be increased. And here we will provide a few more LEDs here. Why? Because while executing this project, so if we are varying this potentiometer, right? So if because of these variations of voltage and current, in very rare cases, there may be chance of damaging this LED. So if it is not working, then you can change with these LEDs. The lengthy one is positive, short one is negative. The leaded of this uh, LED is that lengthy one is positive and short one is negative. You have to keep short one in a negative black side, and lengthy one positive is at red side. You can simply remove. If it is not working, remove like this, tightly remove, and you can keep like this. The new one you can keep. I am keeping new one this like this. Very rare cases, this LED will be damaged because of this. We are, while executing, we are varying this voltage and current, right? Because of that, there may be chance, but that chance is very less. But for that, we are providing extra LEDs. Okay, like this. Now we will see the execution. Before going to this, as I said earlier, you have to create hotspot, and we have to give two powers. One is power cord, and one is uh, this adapter. Then on the LCD, something it shows like this. Then we have to reset. The reset button is here, that one, and we have to reset. Then title is displaying, and it is trying to connect Wi-Fi hotspot. Once it is connected, then it is showing Wi-Fi ready. Okay, without this it will not go further. Then on the display it is showing temperature, voltage and current. Now it has some brightness. Now you can see I am rotating this potentiometer. Now brightness is varying, right? So when brightness is very less, That means almost there is no brightness, but it has internally it consumes some voltage. That's what it is showing, 1.1 volts. If I decrease, then the minimum voltage is 1.19, but there is no current. Why? Because the LED is not on. That's what current is not drawing, and I am applying voltage by rotating this. You can see. Okay, I am rotating slowly, very slowly. Okay, then keep on voltage, and this brightness is increased. When brightness is increased, that means the voltage is increasing, and it is not showing current. Why? Because current triggers after some point of time. Okay, 0.02. It consumes current in a discrete way. That's what sometimes it is showing, sometimes it is not showing. Almost any kind of load, except capacitive load. If you take any kind of load, LED or motor, though any load is will not take constant current. The current always fluctuating. Okay, so then if you increase, whenever U is displaying, then all the functions are not working for 7 seconds. That means it is uploading to server. I will show those server details also, and I will send those details. There is a one link of our server. You can click on that, and you have to give username and password, then account will be open, then current will be increased. Okay, if I rotate, then current will be increased, but sometimes it is showing 0. Why 0? Any kind of load will not take constant current. So it takes the current for some point of time, then it sleeps, then again taking current. If you observe the characteristics, any load is like that, but most of the times it is showing current. So like this, this is a temperature sensor. So it whenever it is showing heating of the, you have to place beside transformer, so that it will show the temperature of the transformer. Now I will show you in the server. Yes, we have the server. So I will forward these details. You can simply log in and see the temperature value, voltage value, current value. It will upload for every 1 minute or 2 minutes. So you have to leave like uh, some time, then you have plenty of data, so that you can easily analyze by seeing this data. And also there is one more switch to graph view, where you can see the graphical format. Again you can switch to table view, then where you can see the table view.